drive the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.